Good Wednesday morning, another chilly, dreary day. We got low-hanging clouds, and those clouds are slowly filling into some showers to the south. We'll show you that. Decent chance of some rain showers today, and then frost possible for many tonight. And then we're talking about a big warm-up. But first, some devastating but also fascinating images from the California wildfires. Some incredible imagery coming out of California. Our satellite technology has just gotten so much better over the last several years, but can show us some frightening things like the fires and just how big they are in California. Of course, they had record heat over the weekend, widespread hundreds, even close to 100 in San Francisco, and then strong winds with that, which just helps to spread the fire and smoke. So that's one view during the day, but almost more ominous are some of these views during the evening hours, where you can actually see the burning embers and flames in these large fires throughout, especially central and northern California this year. And Colorado having its own smoke and fires. This is smoke sent in from my friend Derek, who lives out in Denver, showing the ash actually falling on cars in Denver from western Colorado. And then, oh yeah, they had that big 90-degree drop in temperature, and this is what they're waking up to. Snow there this morning. Not as much as what they were expecting, because they actually had, of course, the ground is still very warm. It was in the 90s just the day before. A lot of it melting in the overnight hours, but still something you don't want to have to see there. In our neck of the woods, we're not talking snow, at least. We have been seeing some of the smoke in the skies occasionally when the wind blows from the right way, but we are seeing some light rain filling in across the areas. It's raining across southeastern Minnesota this morning, and then showers will be coming in from the southwest. You can see some light rain in the southwestern part of the state. So some showers here for the late morning into the at least early, maybe mid-afternoon. So another cold, dreary day in the 40s again this morning. We'll be struggling to get into the low 50s, and still just a ton of cloud cover all along that frontal boundary of cold and what's left of some warmer air. So as we watch the models here through the day, here's showers by 10, 11 o'clock. We'll have those showers through, this is probably 3 o'clock, and then that should subside off to the southeast. And then it's going to clear out pretty quickly, which means some pretty cold temperatures tonight. We have a frost advisory. It includes the Twin Cities because some outer suburbs you might get close to frost, but I think most of the metro will stay frost-free. But places like St. Cloud, up around Hinckley, Marshall, Rice Lake, Wisconsin, those areas that typically are cooler on these cool, clear nights, you guys have a much better chance. In fact, here's from the Weather Service. They made a kind of a cool graphic here that shows the probability of the temperature getting below 36 tonight, which is when you could see some patchy frost. And you can see most of the urban core of the metro, very low chance. They put it at 4%, but you get outside of it, orange and red areas, that's where we have a likelihood of some frost. So again, Madison, Minnesota, Redwood Falls, Alexandria, St. Cloud, Brainerd, Hinckley, all good chances of seeing some of that snowfall. So we'll watch out for that. The next shower chance will come in late Friday into southwestern Minnesota Friday afternoon, and then sweeping through Friday night into Saturday. Doesn't look like a ton of rain out of that either, and then it should clear out by Saturday afternoon. And then we're talking about the hope for warmth again. If you're not ready for this October weather like I am, yeah, we got some summer temperatures. By Sunday, could already be in the low 70s. Notice some of these 80s off to the west, close to 90 again in Rapid City, which also saw snow within the last couple of days, by the way. And then by Monday, this is the European model, giving me life here. Temperatures near 80 again here in the metro, and 90s in that western part of South Dakota. So we could be looking at some summer heat again. Looks like most of next week, at least in the 70s, if not some low 80s. So that warm up will begin already this weekend. But for now, cold today, frost possible tonight outside of the metro area, and then we'll begin that slow crawl towards normal temperatures again.